Hey babes, it's Trenae, aka Trenaejxo, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me today. As you can tell by the title, this is my, like hair routine for my silk press when I do it at home. I don't enjoy doing it at home that much, and I don't like to press out my hair that much, especially like right now, because my hair is kind of like transitioning from heat damage or heat training, whatever you want to call it. So it's like two different textures, and it's kind of like in a fragile state. So I don't do silk presses that often, especially like I said right now. And with me working out, they never last. So I just wanted to do something a little different, do a little length check. It was time for a trim too. So yeah, while I was doing my hair, I just decided to record this for you guys so you can see my silk press routine at home. So if you want to see how I got my hair like this, then just stay tuned. Alrighty, so let's get down to business. So my hair is washed and blow dried. Like when I'm blow drying my hair, I don't sorry, if I'm not looking at the camera, it's because I'm looking at the screen just so I can make sure I don't look crazy. But when I blow dry my hair, I don't like blow dry it super straight. I don't even blow dry it on high heat, like hot heat. You know how the blow dryer has like a cool, warm, and medium setting? I blow dry my hair on the medium. What am I saying? You know how blow dryers have a cool, warm, and hot setting? I blow dry my hair on the medium, like the warm setting. So I don't blow dry it on the hot setting because I'm putting, well, especially when I'm going to put more heat on it, like when I'm doing the silk press, just because it's like extra heat. So I'm like, okay, well, I won't turn the blow dryer all the way up. So yeah, the first thing that I always do is part my hair into two sections. So I'm just gonna pin that out of the way. I am gonna do a middle part for this, but I'm not worried about this right now. I'm not worried about like getting it straight. I do that like, you know, towards the end. So next thing I'm gonna do is I put heat protectant on my hair when I blow dried it, so I'm not going to use any more because I kind of feel like the heat protectant that I used might make it a little bit too heavy if I add more. So the first thing I need to do is like just press my hair straight. I'm going to go through and see if I need a trim, so I'm going to just press my hair out first. Outlet is too far. Okay, this is not gonna work. Maybe I'll do this side first, and then when I find an extension cord, I can do the other side. So I take pretty small. Well, these sections aren't super small, but kind of small. I would say they're like medium size, because I only like to do one pass. So I try to take sections that will be small enough so that I can get it straight, but not super small, so it's not too much heat just on one section of hair. So I always do the chase method. So I'm going to take the flat iron and then stick the comb in and press it out like that. Do y'all watch The Voice? Because I have it on right now playing in the background. And I love this show. I love The Voice. I love American Idol. Like, it's just something about, first of all, I love live music. Like, live music, live performances. I love all that sort of stuff. And this is the closest thing that I can get to that right now. Also, I think that is so beautiful to watch, like, people's dreams unfold. Like, for them to get super excited and have an opportunity, you know, like, at their dream, to pursue their dream. I'm like an artist, a creative at heart. So, I mean, not an artist like singing, but I'm like a creative at heart. So I understand this 100%. When you're passionate about something, I understand it, you know? So I think it's dope. I be getting choked up. This feels so weird doing this on camera. And I can hardly see. I'm gonna have to get a mirror because I can't really see, to be honest. You know what? I probably should have put on like a lighter color shirt just because everything is like so dark. All right, I finished straightening my hair. I pressed it out. Now I'm going to start styling it. I also gave myself a little bit of a trim. Like, I feel like my hair is the same length as it was, which is very discouraging, but what can you do? What can you do? The first set of clip-ins I'm gonna put right like at my ear. So let me clip this out of the way. Well, at least I know it's secure. Good grief. I didn't put these sections perfect putting these clips in because my hair needs something to like grip. I mean, the combs need something to like grip onto. So okay. All right, so that's 2 pieces in. Then I'm gonna put a third piece in, like right here. All right. Yo, this clip is so hard to snap, but that's a good thing because that means it'll be super secure. But geez, what? All right, so now I'm about to curl it. I have my curling iron here. I'm about to curl it up and pin curl it as I go, because that like sets the curl in place. I cannot wait until my hair actually grows out this length. This is like 6 inches. How many inches is this? Okay, here's where my hair stops. 5 inches. I'm hoping that by the end of the year I can get to this point. But I can't wait. Alright, so I just did some quick makeup. So I'm going to take down my hair now. I guess this one already coming out, so I'll start back here. Oh, it's kind of tight.
Like, no, I'm fucking trying to straighten it down. This shit keep going like, whoop, like, no, go do. What the fuck?
Alright, so this is the final look, babes. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I mean, I really like how it turned out. I think it's pretty. I'll just be glad when my real hair actually grows out to this length. Goodness grief. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this, if you like the final result, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, guys, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I feel like it was a little, I mean, clearly this is my first like hair video because I feel like I was all over the place. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will link all of my socials down in the description box below. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Until next time, babes. Bye.